Ever wonder why your skin keeps breaking out or why that rash just won't go away? Could natural remedies be the answer? We're all too familiar with skin issues. Acne that pops up at the most inconvenient times, dry skin that itches and flakes, rashes that appear out of nowhere, or eczema that brings discomfort. Natural remedies can offer a gentle yet effective solution to these issues. One of these natural remedies is the calendula herb, a powerhouse of skin benefits. Calendula, commonly known as marigold, is a natural remedy that has been used for centuries for its skin-healing properties. This vibrant flower is a powerhouse of benefits, each contributing to its reputation as a skin savior. First off, calendula is a natural anti-inflammatory. Its soothing properties can help calm irritated skin, reducing redness and swelling that often accompany skin discomfort. Next, let's talk about wound healing. Calendula has the ability to stimulate tissue regeneration and repair, making it a go-to for minor cuts, burns, and abrasions. It's like having a mini first aid kit in a flower. Now, onto its antimicrobial effects. Calendula can help prevent infections and minor skin injuries, acting as a protective barrier against unwanted invaders. And let's not forget about its moisturizing properties. The emollient nature of calendula can help hydrate dry or chapped skin, leaving it feeling soft and supple. Calendula also boasts an impressive antioxidant content. These antioxidants help combat free radicals, offering protection against oxidative stress and potential skin damage. And for those seeking skin elasticity and firmness, calendula may stimulate collagen production, the protein responsible for maintaining the skin's structure. Finally, for conditions like eczema and dermatitis, the soothing nature of calendula provides relief from itching and discomfort, making it a natural alternative for skin relief. With all these benefits, it's no wonder calendula is a popular ingredient in many skincare products. Now that we know the benefits of calendula, let's discuss how you can incorporate it into your skincare routine. A popular way to use calendula is through topical creams and ointments. Just apply these directly to any irritated areas. Calendula oil is another great option. It can be used for massage or applied directly to the skin. If you're a fan of DIY, why not make a calendula tea or infusion? You can use this as a skin rinse or compress. You can also create your own salves or balms by combining calendula-infused oil with beeswax. Calendula tinctures, made by soaking the flowers in alcohol, can be diluted and applied to the skin. And let's not forget about soaps and shampoos containing calendula. Last but certainly not least, adding dried calendula flowers or calendula oil to your bath can create a soothing, skin-nourishing experience. This vibrant flower is a powerhouse for skin health. It's anti-inflammatory, helping to soothe irritation and reduce redness. It promotes wound healing, making it great for minor cuts and burns. It's antimicrobial, moisturizing, and packed with antioxidants. Plus, it stimulates collagen production for firmer skin and offers soothing relief for conditions like eczema. With its numerous benefits and versatility, calendula might just be the natural remedy your skin needs. Give it a try. Share your thoughts on today's video. Subscribe for more interesting topics. Thanks for watching.